Hi, I'm Jennifer Reynolds, and I own Sauce Goddess Gourmet, and we make obscenely delicious sauces, spices, and dip mixes. The story of Sauce Goddess begins with my dad. He loved to grill and he hated liquid smoke, so he created his own barbecue sauce, and it became famous among our family and friends. After years, I finally got him to use measuring cups so that I could get the recipe myself. And I started making ribs and chicken for my friends, and they loved it. And they threw down a challenge. They said, "Jen, don't get old and wonder what if you'd ever done something with that recipe of your dad's." So I did it. And 20 years later, we are still going strong. And here's my question for you. Do you know what's in your food? We know what's in ours. And we know what's not. With our sauces, it's the lack of liquid smoke flavor. When you remove that flavor, you can totally taste the delicious meat. It's a completely different barbecue experience. And we're using real ingredients, real food. There's no fillers, there's no flavorings, there's no preservatives or xanthan gum or silicon dioxide or any junk. If we want a flavor, we are using the food that created it. It's better tasting, it's better for you, and a 7-year-old can read the label and know what everything is. Everything we make is certified gluten-free, it's vegan, it's made with non-GMO ingredients, all the good stuff. And our spices are now certified kosher. And with all of this, we've won over 24 awards for flavor, including Best Barbecue Rub in Texas. Of all places, yes, you heard that right, Texas. But more than the awards, we're making a difference. We are helping adults that are differently abled perform jobs that are suited to their special skills. We donate to fund research for Alzheimer's and ovarian cancer, and we provide help to disaster areas by donating to Operation Barbecue Relief. We're also really proud to be a certified woman-owned business. We are proud all of our products are made right here in the USA, and we're just keeping it real. Real food with real ingredients for real people. So the true test of how good our food tastes is what we always say. If you don't lick your fingers, someone else will.